Welcome back. All right, so today we are going to be talking about IPAs, income producing activities. These are vital for your business to grow and for you to grow as a leader and just to be well-rounded as a Scentsy consultant, okay, and as a business owner, because that's what you are now, right? So what are IPAs? They're income producing activities. They are things that make you money. Okay, most of us are here to make money. I don't know about you, but I'm here to make money. This is my full-time job. So I'm going to go into a little bit more detail on IPAs, what activities are income producing, what's not income producing. And by the end of this training, you should know what an IPA is, okay? So things that are not income producing, things that do not make you money is what we call fluff, okay? So we want to cut the fluff. We don't want to be doing things that are not making us money, okay? They're not income producing. So things that are fluff are making super cute samples, okay? Super cute samples take time. And at the end of the day, you know, cute samples aren't really making you money. Now, yes, I do believe in making samples. I do believe in bulk sampling, honestly, but you know, melting down wax, making the cutest little molds, like that's taking time away from activities that could be making you money. So, for example, I use a crinkle cutter. I'll actually show you. Hold on. I'll actually show you what a crinkle cutter is. I got this thing off Amazon. This is a crinkle cutter. I literally take a bar of wax and I cut up my wax and I'm done with my samples right then and there, okay? It takes me 10 minutes to make samples, if that, and they're ready to go to send to my customers, okay? I label them with my information and they are good to go out the door, in the mail, into someone's hands, under someone's nose, okay? So Scentsy has everything you need to be successful and to not take up all of your time doing fluffy things, okay? Things that are not making you money. So what are income producing activities? The first one is going to be sponsoring, okay? Growing a team, building a connection with another human being, okay? Sharing the opportunity, sharing the blessing. Scentsy really can bless and change so many people's lives. I have seen it firsthand, not from myself, not just from myself, Scentsy has changed my life 100%, mine and my husband's, but has also changed so many other consultants' lives. So, with that said, sponsoring, okay? I know it's scary, especially now that you're a brand new consultant, but it's never too early to sponsor. Never too early to sponsor. And honestly, you're never going to be fully ready to mentor someone because that's what it means to sponsor, okay? I don't even like the word sponsor, but that's what it's called, so you need to know. But when you sponsor someone, you are asking them to join you on this amazing journey, on this life-changing journey that can add so many blessings to your life, to your family's life, to the people around you's lives, okay? So how do you sponsor someone? How do you ask someone to join you on this journey? You build a connection first, okay? So you want to get to know that person because ultimately them joining you on this journey is for them, it's not for you, okay? So how is Scentsy going to bless their life? That's what you need to figure out first. And that's how you start, okay? Another income producing activity is partying, okay? We need sales. We are in the sales business. That is what we are in. Believe it or not, we sell products, okay? So, partying is the way to go. Does that mean you have to go to someone's house for 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours and set up a display and have a party with people you don't know? Absolutely not. There are so many different ways to party. You can do a home party, which is what I just said. Honestly, home parties are where it's at, especially as a brand new consultant, because you want to grow your customer base, okay? And the best way to do that is to do a home party because that host that is hosting this party, she's going to invite all of her friends, all of her family to her house. You're going to go, and that's how you're going to build connection, okay? So home parties are awesome, but I realize that they give a lot of people anxiety. So you don't have to do home parties to be successful, and I say that because I've been a consultant for 2.5 years now, and I've probably done a total of maybe 10 home parties, maybe. Most of my parties are bag parties or on the go parties. I will go into more detail on another training about different parties, but an on the go party is basically a bag full of catalogs, products, order forms, and testers. Let someone take that bag to work with them or to their friends and family. They share it with everyone they know. They collect orders, bring it back to me, and we go from there. Okay, I submit the orders. They get the party rewards. Another type of party is going to be an online party. So there's so many different ways to party, but you are going to have to party if you want to be successful in this business. Okay, if you're here to make money and grow your business, you're going to have to party. Okay, whatever partying looks like for you, but you're going to have to party. And then, because partying is where your PRV comes from, it's where your sales come from. It's how you're going to expand your customer base, okay? And then the next IPA that we're going to talk about are follow-ups, okay? You have to have a follow-up system in place from day one. From day one of becoming a consultant, it is super important, and I'm telling you this because I did not have a follow-up system when I first joined. I didn't. And I kick myself in the ass now that I'm 2.5 years in because those first 3 months that I was a consultant and I didn't have a legit follow-up system, I don't have a way to connect with those customers that purchased with me when I first was a consultant, that first partied with me. So honestly, if I had started a follow-up system when I first joined, instead of being here, I would be here maybe. Okay, I'd be farther along. So follow-up, what is a follow-up system? That's what you're asking, I know. So there's 2 different follow-up systems that I personally love. Cincy now has an app called Amy that we partner with. You can find it through your workstation. You can sign up for it. I believe it's $8 or $9 a month. Totally worth the investment. That is a tax write-off right there. But what it is this app, it's on your phone. It links directly to your workstation. So anytime your customer orders or you place an order for them, whatever, you're able to go into your app on your phone. I'll actually show you. Go into your app on your phone. You can pull up your contacts, your customers that have purchased from you. You can pull up different products to check prices, to send a link to someone specifically. You can email, text, call your customer directly from the app. This is what the app looks like. You're able to connect with your teamies on here. It is 100% amazing. You can go in and set different parameters for how often you want to follow up with your customers. So for example, there's a to-do list, which is called your workflow. So right now it's telling me that I have 35 total customers to follow up with, okay? Those are customers who recently purchased with me that I need to say, hey, thank you so much for reaching out. And then there's customers who I need to re-engage with. That means that they haven't ordered in a while, so you need to check up on them, say, hey, do you need refills, whatnot. So follow-up system is vital. There is another follow-up system if you don't want to do something that has to be on your phone. If you really are like a pen and paper type of person, you can YouTube Cincy Binder System. YouTube it, Cincy Binder System. That is what I used before Amy was available. It works great. It just depends on how do you like to work? Do you want to be something tangible in your hand, or you want something on the go that is easy to do, okay? So that's personal preference, but a follow-up system is vital. Another reason why you need a follow-up system is because, I'm sorry, but you're never going to remember. You might think so, but you're never going to remember every person who has ordered from you, what they have ordered from you, when they ordered from you, when you need to follow up, unless you are writing it down somewhere, unless you have it somewhere that is going to remind you to follow up with that person, okay? You're never going to be able to remember it just from being in your head. It's not going to happen. Believe me, I tried it. And a follow-up system is vital because your customers are the core of this business. So they need to know that you appreciate them, that you love them, that their support means the world to them, okay? So how can you do that? When they order, when you see that you have a new PWS order, you're going to get an email saying, hey, so-and-so bought bought from you. This is how much she bought from you, blah, blah, blah. Okay, you can go into your orders tab, go to history, see exactly what they ordered, or if you have the Amy app, you can do it right from your phone. It'll tell you exactly what that person ordered, which is the bomb. That's why I'm obsessed with it. But it's super important that your customer feels valued, because that's all that we as human beings want, is to be valued and to be loved and to know that. So the best way to do that is to reach out to them personally, text them and say, hey girl, thank you so much for ordering. You're going to love that Squeeze the Day bundle. You have no idea how much it means to me and Vince, and I just wanted to say thank you so much. I'll let you know when your order ships, okay? So IPAs are literally the core of your business. That is what you need to focus on, especially if you want to get to the top, if you want to hit all of your goals, if you want to make money. That is what you need to focus on, okay? So if you are doing something, anything you do in your business, I want you to ask yourself, is this making me money? If the answer is no, I want you to stop. Okay? Now, obviously, I'm talking to those who are in this business to win, okay? In it to win it. I'm talking about the people that want to get to the top of the company. I'm talking to the people that want to make as much money as they can. If you're a hobbyist, obviously this training does not pertain to you. So, you are going to rock it, and I'm your biggest fan. Hands down, I'm cheering for you, I'm rooting for you, I'm here for you. So if you need anything, just reach out. I love you, and I'm so ready to watch you grow and just like be the best person you can be. So, see you later.